Welcome to the Racecraft Stadium. Here, we host the greatest racing and crafting show of the century. I'm Clint, and joining me today is Bob.
Oh, quick, Racecraft.
This is where we put your crafting skills to the test, right, Bob?
Oh, you bet, Clint. Let's start simple. This is your start line. It generates power for your track. Connect track pieces to your start line to generate power. You can see your
Whoa! What was that?
That's a supercharged cell, Clint. Building your tracks over supercharged cells generates even more power.
More power, more rewards. Make sure to use them. Another supercharged cell. Let's build towards it. Oh, they're bringing out the ramps. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, I've said it before, and I'll say it again. When you don't want the grunts, you gotta put in the stunts.
Oh, you got that right. I love this. You know what to do, Racecrafter. That's it, Racecrafter. You've got one spark. Well done. Let's get you some wheels. My first track? Really? Impressive.
Oh, soon you'll be building legendary tracks. You better believe it. Now, Racecraft cars are powered by light from the track. You've got to condense it in the engine by tapping your go button.
Pump that pedal, Rick.
Now, this is...
Whoa, that's insane.
You bet.
Final lap. I'm on the edge of my seat.
The crowd is going crazy.
A good test run, Racecrafter. First place!